Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Do you got a Volvo that you've checked and it's not, the car is got a good coil, but the car isn't getting spark? Down here on the plug, it goes into the harness for ignition coil system. Make sure you check this plug. It's a spring-loaded clip right there, and make sure it's locked in all the way. Make sure you clean it with dielectric cleaner because it gets all corroded in there, and then on the ignition module here, and it won't get no spark, and it's not getting a connection, so it won't get spark, so the vehicle won't start. So when you plug it in, make sure that the clip, you push it in, push the plug all the way on, and that it releases back out. If it doesn't release out just like that and spring back out, then it's not locked in, and then you're not going to get a connection and the vehicle won't start. Hopefully this is a good little trick that'll help you all. It's a tutorial, that helps you out with these problems with these Volvos, common problems, and people think they're not getting spark when it turns out that it's just a simple loose connection or the main ground that goes right there from the factory under the ignition coil that goes to the ECM relay. So make sure you check those things. Hopefully y'all find this video useful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Also subscribe to the channel. Y'all have a great day.